In this video, I will show you how to find empty servers in Roblox Steal a Brainrot. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you want to do is come across to roblox.com and log into your account. Then what you can do is use the search box at the top to search for Steal a Brainrot, and then of course search for that in experiences. Now once you've done that, Steal a Brainrot should come up. Give it a click to be taken to the game experience page, and on this page you want to come down and click onto servers. And once you've done this, scroll down to the bottom. You're going to see all the available servers, and to find empty servers, all you need to do is tick the box here which says exclude full servers. And then what you want to do is change the box here from descending to ascending. What it's going to do is bring up a bunch of different servers with only one person in. So what you can do is join any of these servers, and when that person leaves the server, effectively that's going to become your own personal empty server. So that is how to find empty servers in Roblox Steal a Brainrot. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.